Afternoon, sir. So this is the pipe. I tell you, from the thermostat to the heater core. This is the leakings here. Now we try to clean. You see, and we will see. Okay, sir. So I already removed. So, sir, this is the old, and this is the new, and this is the old. Okay. So the problem for this, the plastic have not good. Okay, so we need to replace this. Okay, so let's using one. Okay, so guys, good afternoon. So now I already removed the thermostat for this BMW. Okay. So now, as you see, this two o-ring, this is the old o-ring. Okay, so I replace a new one because the new water pump have two o-ring together. Okay, with this cream. Okay, like cream. So now, I replace the o-ring for this side. Okay, this o-ring is already new. Okay, and then also this, you see the color green. Okay, so this pipe is connected to the water pump, and this also pipe connected to the water pump. So I did not see any crack, but I see a sign of leak. See, I only clean now because the customer not can't find didn't find new. Okay, so now, okay, I fix. Okay guys, so now this pipe is the new one. Okay, but you know, this is not original. So now guys, have a different. Okay, before, when I did not remove in the plastic, I see that this pipe is long uh, than the old. Okay, so this is the old one. Okay, so as you can see, see, the new one is long, same position but long. Okay, the new one is long, and they have a different for the hole. The hole for the new one is big. Okay, so I try to remove the plastic and try to fix, but not good. Okay, loose, the pipe is loose. And see, this is the new one, this is the old one. See, the new one big hole, but the old one small. Okay, this is old. Okay, so now I return the old because this pipe no crack, is still good, not hard. Okay, so this I return this in the case. Okay, so I fix the old one, guys. So now this is the intake manifold. Okay, so I already clean with gasoline. Okay, and see this now I will fix it. Okay, so now this is the new thermostat, electric thermostat. Okay, and this is the old pipe I return, and this is also the new pipe I replaced already. So these two pipes for the intake. Okay, so now let's do this. Okay, so now guys, this is ready. I already removed the paper and I already cleaned the surface for the intake manifold gasket. So let's going on, let's do this. So I fix the intake manifold. So I hope no parts I forget for this place. Okay, I think all's good. Okay, so okay now guys, so I already fixed all. the socket, and all. Okay, so I already fixed the pipe for the turbo, the intake, the throttle body. Okay, so now I fix the new fuel filter. This is not new. This is second hand because the customer did not buy new. Okay, but still good. Not same his old. Not the same his old filter, air filter. So not good and damage. Okay, so maybe the not good fixing before. Okay, so see the the filter is deformed. Okay, so now I fix this. Okay, so like this. So okay, it's good, very nice. And then fix the cover. Okay, here inside. So now this is the uh, information for this car. Okay, so 7 series 740 Li. Okay, so left-handed, so 2015. Country DEU. Engine B58. Okay, so now it's already on. Okay, so we proceed to the next. So we will see, guys, if have a code or no. The ignition switch will be automatically switched during the test. Be aware of safety. Ensure the vehicle is stopped. Okay. So the automatically off. Okay, while the scanner is recognizing. Okay, so now already on. This is the BMW, and this you cannot read because it's Arabic. Because now we are in Saudi Arabia. Okay, and the date is February 13, 2025. Okay. So okay, guys, we proceed to the health scan. So give me too much lah. Let's see. Oh my god. Digital engine electronic air mass system. So too much. Real tank ventilation. Okay, so this code is coming because I remove the socket. Okay. Even when I remove the battery from the front, but we have battery also in the back. So we have two battery for this car. Okay, so now for now we delete the code. Loading. After the procedure finish, there may still be a warning light or fault code display until the vehicle has completed a road test and the ignition switch off for 10 seconds and on. Okay, so he said the ignition switch off for 10 seconds. So we off. Okay, we off the ignition. After 10 seconds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we make on. We try to hold. Not yet. Double tap. Okay. So you press OK. Now we searching again if we have a fault code or no. Flare fault code complete. Okay. Oh, you have check control message. Requires engine oil. But I did not drain the engine oil. But the message, check control message, service requires engine oil. We try to delete. I did not drain the oil, engine oil for this car, but I don't know. So now guys, I already start the car. See? We'll go outside. We will check if have a leak or no. See? The coolant, we add. Okay. So now it's in the maximum. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Okay guys, so now this is the sound. Up. Okay. Side of the car. So for now, we don't have see any lake for the water, and this water is the old before because we removed the old parts before, and the water go downside. Okay. So for now, I did not fix the cover for the downside because I will test drive first, and if it's all good, I clean and then I fix the cover. Okay. So now guys, we will do a test drive. I will do a test drive. Okay. So now I already test drive in the road. I make a road test. So the temperature for the water is stable. Okay, so normal. But we have light for the truck tire pressure for the tire pressure. Okay, so maybe not enough of air. Okay. So okay guys, so now we're in the straight road. So now we take this drive. have a vibration for the hub, rotor disc for the front. Okay, so the rotor disc for the rear is new already, but the front is old. So when you press the brake, have a vibration. Okay guys, so now we go back to the workshop because we fix the cover for the under the engine. Okay. Good evening, sir. So now, sir, I already finished the BMW, sir. For the water, we don't have leak, but for the engine oil, sir, we have leak in the sensor backside. Okay, the sensor fix good. No any from this side, sir. For this side, for the sensor. Okay. And these two sensor, when I take by my hand, seems the leak come from the sensor. Tomorrow, sir, because now we can too much hot and in the engine. Okay, so tomorrow we need to remove again this these parts and IUC. Okay, because now when I touch the sensor is fixing good. It's only lock like clockwise. Okay, not loose, not any. When I like this, the sensor have a small play, but you can remove. Tomorrow I see, but we need to remove this. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So mga idol, so may gabi mga idol. So karon mga idol, test drive na taning BMW no nga atong gitrabaho. So 2015 model ni siya mga idol. Ah, di saba li. Ah, kanilay saba ani. So test drive na to mga idol. Kung naa ba siya gibati. Okay? So mao din ni ang kahimtang no. So morning BMW test drive ni na to ron mga idol. Para final ba? Last final. Final destination. Grabe ko sugam dagan mga idol. It is speed din siya mga idol ha. Ito, yawan sa taan ni mga idol. 140 man dayon. Wan, 40 man dayon. Loh. Oh, ulit na mga idol kay ipa-washing pa ni. Nya alas 7:30 na kapin. So out na tag alas 8. Badag sinanggot pa. Right. Ito ta driver na ni. So okay na mga idol, go sa itong pagtrabaho.